In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a PDF in Framer. Before you jump into Framer, the first thing you'll want to do is upload your PDF to a cloud storage platform like Google Drive or Dropbox, or to your own website server. The goal here is to create a direct, shareable URL for that PDF. This is important because Framer needs a valid link to send visitors to when they click. If your file permissions aren't set correctly, the PDF may not open for other people, so make sure the link is accessible. Once your PDF link is ready, head over to Framer and open the project where you want to add the PDF link. This can be any project you're currently working on. Inside the project, select the element you want people to click. This could be text, a button, or even an image frame. Think about what makes the most sense for your page. For example, a button labeled something like Download or View PDF is usually the clearest option for visitors. After selecting that element, move over to the right-hand Properties panel and find the Links section. This is where Framer lets you assign a destination to the selected item. Now paste your PDF URL into the link field. Take a second to make sure the full link is correct, because even a small mistake in the URL can prevent the file from opening properly. When everything looks good, press Enter to apply the change. That confirms the link and attaches it to the element you selected. And that's it. Your Framer element should now link directly to your PDF. As a final tip, preview your page and test the link yourself to make sure it opens the correct file and behaves the way you expect. That quick check can help you catch permission issues or broken links before your visitors do.